And it's pretty, baby. You did a great job in the cars. Look, I brought another thing to help you. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Ooh, that's a big one. Let me see it. Have it. Show it to Mama. Ooh. Throw it to the tree. Ricky, throw it to the tree. That's a big one. Tell me why you like snow days.
Cause you gotta go sledding. I'm gonna play with my brothers.
Are we gonna sledding later?
Yeah, I hope.
Yeah, we will do. All right. Thank you for giving me that opinion. We have like 4 or 5 inches of snow, and now is when we are expecting ice and snow rain or snow showers, which is what it make it worse because it's gonna be icy roads. So be safe, everybody. Maybe 7 or 8 inches. I know, start raining right now. Hey, you're doing good for the cleaning. Now we need to get in. It's awful. My husband is struggling there. So guys, you all are out there. Be safe, stay warm. It's still coming down. Now we're expecting snow showers and ice. So if you're out there, be safe, be careful, stay warm, okay? And be blessed. Bendiciones, Jana. Guys, here in Elizabethtown, Kentucky, I just measured it. Well, my husband did. He measured 7 inches. So still coming down. So if you're out there, be safe, stay warm. And if you play in the snow, be careful with the branches and have a good time. Let's look in here, guys. Woo, wow. That's, yeah, about 5-7 inches.